Hello everybody. So today we are gonna look at JD-GUI, which is used to just analyze the jar file. So let me just open up my terminal. Then you can do sudo apt search JD GUI. So we have this. So we could do sudo apt install JD-GUI. So this might take a few seconds. Let's hold on a sec. So my network. So let me just check my network. Google.com. Okay. We have the internet connection. Okay, now we have the GUI, JD-GUI. So we could do JD-GUI. Then let's do enter. Now we have the Java decompiler. So that means if we just open up the download, so here you can see we can do open up jar file, Java file, JMod file, car log, and all those files. So if we just open up the folder, we have the build inside. So yesterday we have installed the Quark, and we have disassemble the APK file. So that's gonna be the DBA application jar APK file. So this is the jar file. So if we just do open that, so here we can analyze the source code. So if we just open this, so we have the these classes. So we have the control. So what we are looking is, so we have hardcode activities. So one more thing is we can create open the multiple tab. So, and one more thing is it highlights it has the highlighting. So it's very easy to use. So I recommend this. So we have this on create a parameter bundle. So if we go over there, so it goes inside the on create. So we have that in access control. So let's look at the building config file. So we have we don't need that. So I hope this will be the useful tool. So thank you guys.